Hey guys, welcome back to Metanoia. My name is Carrie Jane, and as you can see, this is a different kind of video. I'm just gonna do a little vlog of my walk around this lake and take you with me as I do an activity that I like to do sometimes, which some will find kind of silly, and that is seeding crystals in nature. Now, I completely understand why some of you would be like, Carrie, why does seeding crystals or really just putting rocks in dirt, like what's the point of that? Why would you waste your time doing that? It seems kind of redundant, but I, as someone who's spiritual, I do believe in the power of intention, and I believe that it really doesn't matter so much that you're putting a rock back to where it was a rock, but more so in the practice of just getting back to nature and doing a sort of ritual that shows your appreciation for nature. And I don't have any religion, but if I did have a religion, it would probably be some kind of earth religion, some sort of indigenous culture type of thing. So this is the way that I connect, and this is what I like to do in my free time sometimes. And I have my dog here with me, and he's very excited to be here. His name is Tucker. This is his favorite place to come. And I think I underestimated how difficult it was going to be walking my dog and filming at the same time, because he will try to sniff every single leaf on this pathway. No exaggeration. So here we go. I'll probably cut in and out just because this is going to be a long walk. It might be like 3 to 5 miles, so there's not enough space in my phone for that much footage, and I don't know what I would say the whole time. But yeah, so just relax. I hope that the scenery is doing something for you. I follow a lot of channels that take footage in nature because I don't really get to get out a lot, and if I could, I'd be outside every day, and that helps me, I find, to at least watch some beautiful nature scenery or hear or listen to some outside sounds. It helps me relax and, get grounded and get centered. And I wasn't always so good about, come on, Tucker. I wasn't always so good about getting outside after summer, because even though I love fall, there's something really depressing about everything dying. There's something a little bit sad about the death of summer for me, just because that's where I get to make all my good memories, and that's, when I get to be outside the most. Sometimes it's just too cold to go outside, but I'm doing the best I can to change that. I don't want to be like that anymore. I don't want to just stay inside all the time just because it's convenient or just because it's a little bit too cold. So I urge you to do the same. And I don't live somewhere where it's easy to get to a place like this. It's not very accessible. And when you have limited days off from work, it gets tricky. But even then, I still encourage you to try to get outside and do this kind of stuff as well, because it's really, I think, very important for our mental and physical health. So yeah, like I said, I'll probably be cutting the footage in and out just because sometimes there's another hiker and I'm sure they don't want to be in a video. So yeah, but that's where I've been. This is our view, and that's where we're going. And I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that I really do think that there is something very symbolic and very beautiful about giving the earth back something. So, some people really believe in the power of crystals. They really believe putting something like a quartz crystal in the earth will restore it in a spiritual way. And I kind of believe that as well. But even if you don't believe in that, there's something very powerful about giving back to the earth in this way. Of course, there's a lot more ways to give back to the earth, perhaps even better ways, such as recycling, using reusable bags, cutting back on plastic. Don't not do that, please. But this is, I think, just a beautiful way to show a form of emotional support that something like planet Earth never gets to see these days, because we've killed off all the indigenous cultures who paid respect in this way. Trying really hard to not shake the camera, but I apologize because I think I'm shaking it a lot anyway. I think they want to come back. They're angry that I have the dog here. Okay, let's go. I think I'm going to seed a crystal right around here somewhere. Maybe in there. This is the little pouch that I keep them in. And they all just kind of look like this. There it is. Forgive my dog, he's decided to dig while I do this. Okay, let's move on. I will say that the nice thing about going outside in the off season is that it's very peaceful. There's very few people here. Uh-oh, Tucker, I don't think we can go down there. That noise you hear is a lot of duck drama. There's a lot of shit going down in the lake this morning, I guess. I don't know. Let's go up here instead. Nope, wrong way. Over the tree. Come. Good. Oh. Tucker. You can do it, Tucker. You can do it. Good boy. We got a lot of fallen trees in this path, so Tucker's struggling. Good boy, Tucker. Okay. All right. Let's continue on. I've come here many times, but never been over here before. There's like a little bridge perfect Tucker size bridge over the water. So for those of you who watched my last video, ask me your questions, I believe this will be my 98th video, I think. So if you clicked on this video and were confused as to why this wasn't the Q&A video, that's why. And for those of you who didn't watch that video, please go visit my channel and watch it, because I'm doing something special for my 100th video. I'm going to be making a Q&A, so ask me your questions. This is your chance. Can be about me, can be about metanoia, can be about something that crossed your mind while you were watching one of my videos. I felt a lot of rocks when I put it in there. Okay. All right. Here we go. I'm a little bit upset because I wanted to take you guys somewhere else today, but it's really hard to get to. I didn't think I was going to be warm enough because I bought a coat online, and then I came home yesterday to find out it didn't fit, and that was going to be the warm coat I was going to wear to the beach, basically. So that didn't work out, but hopefully there will be a warm Saturday or Sunday one of these days, and I can show you guys that place because it's a very special place to me. It's basically where I grew up, and it's very pretty. It's very different, and I feel like I need to have it on my channel in some way. Fall is probably the best time of year to come and do this. Okay. This ground here is very hard. Ooh, here we go. There. Okay. I'll have you know, Tucker is the vice president of Metanoia, and he works diligently every day behind the scenes, and you guys don't even know it. There he is, hard at work, securing the perimeter, being a good boy. I love dogs. Well, I love all animals, but I love my dog. mossy tree trunk. I think I'm gonna put another one right here. I feel like if anyone saw me doing this in person, they'd think I'm crazy, but that's okay. That's fine. I think I found my thumbnail as well. There we have it. So I think this is where I'm going to end the video. I don't want it to be too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me your questions for the Q&A. Watch that video. And yeah, thank you all so much. I hope this was very peaceful to you. And if you're watching this far in the future and you still want to ask me a question, go ahead and ask, because who knows, maybe I'll make another one in sometime when I have more followers and more questions if they come up. So yeah, thank you all again so very much. I hope you guys are having a lovely week. Get outside. I don't care where you live. I don't care what you have going on. Get outside, get active, and enjoy life.